Hello there. Welcome once again to Dave's Automotives. Today, I will be replacing a coolant reservoir on a 2007 BMW 328i. It should be the same for most of the BMWs. Um, we had a problem with the reservoir is leaking fluid, which is very common on the BMs. So today we will be replacing it, getting the old one out, and putting a new coolant reservoir in there. So let's get to work. First of all, um, if you can, drain the coolant fluid before you do it. Or you can also put a pan underneath the vehicle um, as you disconnect the hoses. Or you can just go ahead and drain all the fluid before you even start. Uh, so I'm not draining the coolant right now. I will be putting a pan underneath the vehicle and collect all the coolant that will come out as I disconnect the hoses. So first of all, just you can open the cap. Put the cap on the side, and there's this upper hose right here. You can disconnect that. You can use a pick to pick on that little clip, pull it up like that, and then just wiggle it out. Okay. Now sometimes you might need to kind of put a little bit of pressure to pull it, but gently, because you don't want to break it. Then you can put that hose on the side. Um, there is another hose at the bottom. And you do the same thing. You put the pick to kind of pull the clip up. Yep, which I did. And in the same way, you can sometimes wedge a flathead screwdriver to kind of pry it off a little bit gently, just to release the pressure, and kind of disconnect that hose. Just do it gently. You don't want to break anything. And then now you can take the two bolts off. Okay, first bolt. Put the bolt on the side. Okay, and then it's ready to be pulled up. Okay, and just make sure you have a pan underneath the vehicle to collect all the coolant that will be coming out. It's very, very important. You don't want to mess up your driveway or wherever you're doing the job. So I already did that. I put a pan underneath, and I can disconnect that bottom hose all the way. Okay. You can see I got coolant coming out. So now we can pull it out, as you can tell. It's all the way out. But then we have the coolant level sensor over here. So we can unplug that as well gently. Okay, so that's it right there. And we can actually remove the whole thing. Okay, put it on the side. And as you can tell, I got a new one. It comes with a sensor, the level sensor as well. And I would just pop it in and we'll be in business. So it's going to be a reverse order, you know. Replacing is the same as the way we took it out. All right. Well, thanks for watching again, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hopefully it helps somebody. All right. Bye-bye.